It began as a whisper in the cosmic dark, a faint, almost imperceptible smudge on a digital image from Pan-STARRS in Hawaii, a world-renowned observatory perched atop a dormant volcano. In the vastness of space, even the smallest anomaly can spark a revolution in our understanding. On a quiet night in early 2024, as the world slept, astronomers searching for asteroids and comets found something different, something that didn't fit any known pattern. The object was flagged not for its proximity to Earth but for its astonishing speed and bizarre, unpredictable trajectory across the starfield. It was moving too fast, unbound by the sun's gravity, a true interstellar visitor, a wanderer from another star system, passing through our cosmic neighborhood. We called it 3I 2024 D1, marking it as only the third interstellar object ever detected by humanity. Soon, it was nicknamed Atlas, a name that captured its mysterious and monumental presence. Initial calculations suggested a comet, but Atlas defied every expectation. Its behavior was unlike anything seen before. It remained dark and silent, reflecting almost no light, darker than coal, nearly invisible against the blackness of space, as if it were cloaked in shadow. Unlike comets, it showed no tail, no outgassing, no glow, no sign of the icy vapor trails that usually betray a comet's presence. Its path was odd, with tiny, almost imperceptible deviations, like it was being nudged by some invisible hand, or perhaps steering itself. The world's best minds recalculated, running simulations and checking for errors, but nothing fit the data. The mystery only deepened. Atlas wasn't just falling through our solar system, it was flying, moving with a purpose that seemed almost deliberate. Its darkness and silence felt engineered, as if it was designed to move unseen, to slip through the cosmos without drawing attention. Observatories worldwide turned their gaze to the night sky, tracking Atlas as the mystery grew with every new observation. The object's trajectory wasn't a simple hyperbola, it made minute, precise course corrections, as if guided by an unseen intelligence. No natural force could explain it. The data defied every known law of celestial mechanics. Atlas was not just a rock tumbling through space, it was something more, something that challenged our very understanding of what could exist out there. It was something else. Something with purpose, as if it had a destination or a mission far beyond our comprehension. The data was clear, yet unbelievable. Every new measurement only added to the sense of awe and unease. Atlas was not a passive traveler. It was actively altering its course, responding to the environment in ways no natural object could. It was an active presence, perhaps even a probe sent from another world, and that changed everything we thought we knew about the universe. Gravity rules the cosmos, shaping the grand ballet of stars, planets, and comets across the endless void. It dictates the orbits of planets and comets, binding them in predictable, elegant paths around their stars. But Atlas was a rogue, moving to its own rhythm, refusing to follow the ancient choreography. Its trajectory was controlled, not random, as if guided by an unseen hand. Astronomers tracked its every move, noting small, deliberate accelerations that defied natural explanation. These weren't the random bursts of a venting comet. These were calculated adjustments, precise and purposeful. It was as if a pilot guided a ship through unfamiliar waters, steering with intent through the cosmic sea. Atlas was actively navigating, defying the established laws of orbital mechanics with every maneuver. Imagine throwing a ball and watching it change direction mid-air. Impossible unless something more is at work, something intelligent. Atlas was behaving less like a rock, more like a probe, a machine with a mission. For an object its size to change velocity, it would need immense energy, an engine, a source of power far beyond natural forces. This wasn't sunlight or gas jets, this was propulsion, deliberate and unmistakable. The math was undeniable. Atlas was fighting the sun's gravity, slowing its approach with calculated precision. It wasn't just passing through, it was here for a reason, following a plan only it understood. Every move seemed intentional, as if it was deciding where to go next, choosing its path with care. The silent ghost was now a silent ship. The implications were staggering, hinting at technology far beyond our own. Atlas was not a natural wanderer, but something crafted, something sent. It was a visitor with purpose, a messenger from the unknown. The world watched, waiting for its next move, united in curiosity and awe. The universe had sent us a riddle, a question written in the language of the stars. And it was getting closer, bringing with it the promise of discovery, and perhaps the unknown. To understand Atlas, we turned the James Webb Space Telescope toward it. JWST's infrared vision revealed the truth. Atlas was not natural. Its surface was made of heavy metals and complex carbon polymers, manufactured, not formed by nature. Strange geometric patterns like circuitry were visible beneath interstellar dust. It was the cosmic equivalent of finding a microchip in a rock. Most shocking were the faint, rhythmic pulses of infrared heat from its surface. These pulses formed complex, repeating mathematical sequences, prime numbers, nested structures. It was a signal not in radio but in heat. The object seemed to be thinking, its energy patterns like a heartbeat. We were looking at the signature of a machine, alien, ancient, and powerful. The patterns were too complex to be natural. It was a beacon, whispering in mathematics. Was it communication, or the hum of a waking consciousness? The ghost in the dark now had a heartbeat. In 2017, astronomers around the world witnessed something extraordinary, another interstellar visitor, which they named ʻOumuamua. It was strange, mysterious, and moved with incredible speed, but it was also fleeting, gone before we could truly study or understand it. Some speculated it might even be alien in origin, but, ultimately, it left us with more questions than answers, fueling endless debates and theories. Now, Atlas is here, and it's different. Unlike ʻOumuamua, Atlas is active, not passive. Its course corrections are precise, its signals structured and deliberate, as if following a plan. ʻOumuamua was a silent anomaly, a cosmic mystery that slipped away. Atlas, on the other hand, is interactive and persistent. It responds to its environment, not just passing by, but actively engaging with the space around it, as if aware of our presence. Atlas is enormous, several kilometers long, and unnaturally dark, absorbing almost all light, making it difficult to observe. Unlike ʻOumuamua, Atlas broadcasts patterned thermal emissions and other complex signals, hinting at advanced technology. It is not a derelict. It is fully operational with systems that seem to power up and respond in real time. The debate over Atlas is urgent, not just academic curiosity. Its presence demands immediate attention from the world's top minds. Its behavior suggests agency, clear evidence of intelligence at work, making decisions and adapting as it travels. It slowed as it entered our solar system, almost as if to observe us more closely, or perhaps to make contact. Its trajectory seems optimized for watching us, circling Earth with calculated precision, as if studying our planet. Evidence mounts with every passing hour. This is functioning extraterrestrial technology, unlike anything we've ever encountered. And it's getting closer every day, its presence looming larger in our skies and in our collective imagination. The messenger is no longer just passing by, it has arrived, and its intentions remain unknown. We are no longer alone. Humanity stands on the brink of a new era, facing the reality of contact. The world holds its breath, waiting for what comes next. As Atlas drew nearer, it began to react in unexpected ways. In spring 2025, we sent a greeting, prime numbers, scientific constants, toward Atlas, hoping for a sign. Silence, then a response. Its thermal pulses suddenly spiked in complexity. It adjusted its trajectory, moving steadily closer to the Earth-Moon system. We had knocked, and the stranger finally opened the door. Atlas began emitting faint, chaotic radio bursts, mimicking our own transmissions back to us. It was listening, absorbing our data, and playing it back to us. We were no longer observers, we were now the observed. The mood shifted from curiosity to growing anxiety. Atlas was not a passive probe, but an active intelligence gathering data. It positioned itself to watch us, to learn everything it possibly could. The watcher in the void was moving in for a much closer look. As Atlas settled into its new trajectory, strange phenomena began on Earth. GPS glitches, satellite dropouts, and bursts of static increased, correlating with Atlas's position. Then came the pulses, low-frequency energy waves, structured in complex mathematical sequences. Sensitive instruments registered phantom readings, gravitational wave detectors picked up rhythmic tremors, deep-sea hydrophones recorded hums matching Atlas's pulses. It was as if Atlas was ringing a bell our planet could feel. The signals were not random, they contained patterns tied to fundamental physical constants. It was broadcasting the source code of the universe, testing our ability to recognize it. The signals were a language of physics and mathematics. We were receiving a message of unimaginable significance. The whispers were getting louder and we still couldn't translate them. Humanity's greatest minds began to theorize, what is Atlas? What is its true purpose, and why has it appeared now, in our time? Some saw it as a probe, but its immense size and mysterious power suggested something far more significant. Was it a seed ship, carrying blueprints for life, searching the cosmos for a new world to call home? If so, why would it interact with our technology and broadcast such complex, enigmatic signals? Others proposed it was a consciousness engine, a sentient supercomputer seeking to connect with other intelligences across the stars. Its signals might be attempts to interface with our global network, reaching out to us in ways we barely understand. The most chilling theory, Atlas is a gateway or a key, here to activate something hidden, perhaps on the moon itself. Its purpose may not involve us at all, leaving us as mere observers. We are bystanders to a cosmic event that began long before us, and may continue long after. The question remains, what happens next, and will we ever truly understand? In late summer 2025, the mystery took a dramatic turn. Atlas's signals focused, not on Earth, but on the moon's far side, at the Schrödinger Basin. The watcher was talking to something on the moon. Rapid response probes sent to investigate failed, disabled as they neared Atlas. Atlas was defending its operational space, blocking our approach. The signals aimed at the moon grew stronger, as if a conversation was concluding. We are locked out, unable to listen or interfere. The final frontier is now in our own backyard. What does this mean for humanity? Is Atlas a warning, a test, or the start of something far larger? We stand on the edge of the greatest discovery in history, feeling smaller than ever. The messenger has arrived, ignoring us, about to unlock a door we never knew existed. What happens when that door finally opens?